When you think of a millionaire, what comes to mind? Fancy cars, mansions, and luxurious vacations? The truth might surprise you. Most self-made millionaires didn't build their wealth by living extravagantly. Instead, they used smart, frugal habits to grow and protect their money. In fact, many millionaires come from middle-class backgrounds. They're not flashing their wealth, they're quietly saving, investing, and making thoughtful financial decisions. Their secret? Living below their means, staying focused on long-term goals, and practicing simple yet powerful habits. This video will uncover 7 unique and surprising frugal habits that middle-class millionaires use every day. These are not your typical skip-the-latte tips, but practical strategies that anyone can start using to build wealth and live smarter. Ready to learn the millionaire mindset? Let's dive in and see how these habits can change the way you think about money. Number 1. They budget like it's a business. Middle-class millionaires treat their personal finances like a company's budget. They don't just spend money randomly, they plan every dollar carefully, just like a CEO managing a business. One key habit is having a money meeting every month. Whether it's with a partner or just themselves, they review their income, expenses, and goals. They track where their money is going and adjust if needed. For example, if they overspend in one area, they cut back in another to stay on track. Millionaires also use tools to help them. Some prefer simple spreadsheets, while others use budgeting apps like NAB, You Need a Budget, or Mint. These tools make it easy to see what's working and what isn't. Another trick? They set limits for fun spending. Instead of saying no to everything, they budget a fixed amount for dining out, hobbies, or entertainment, and stick to it. By treating their finances like a business, they know exactly how much they earn, save, and spend. This discipline not only helps them avoid debt, but also keeps their financial goals, like buying a home or investing, within reach. Smart budgeting is how they grow their wealth over time. Number 2. They optimize time as aggressively as money. Middle-class millionaires know that time is just as valuable as money, if not more. They make sure they use their time wisely, cutting out activities that waste hours and focusing on things that bring results. One way they save time is by planning meals in advance. By cooking in bulk and prepping meals for the week, they avoid eating out too often and save both time and money. They also delegate tasks like cleaning, yard work, or other chores to free up time for more important things, such as learning new skills or spending time with family. Millionaires often follow productivity rules, like the 80-20 rule. This means they focus on the 20% of tasks that create 80% of their results, whether it's in their work or personal lives. They avoid getting distracted by things that don't matter. They also reduce time-wasting habits like endlessly scrolling on social media or watching too much TV. Instead, they use that time to network, read, or work on projects that grow their income. By treating time like money and managing it well, middle-class millionaires make sure they're always moving closer to their goals without feeling overwhelmed. Number 3. They invest in invisible wealth. Middle-class millionaires don't spend their money trying to impress others. Instead, they focus on building invisible wealth, things that don't look flashy but grow their value over time. One of the main ways they do this is by investing in assets. They put their money into things like index funds, rental properties, or dividend stocks that generate income and grow over time. Unlike cars or luxury items that lose value, these investments work quietly in the background, building their financial future. They also invest in their skills and education. Millionaires know that learning never stops. They pay for courses, certifications, or workshops that improve their earning potential. For example, a $2,000 course might lead to a promotion or a business idea that makes tens of thousands of dollars later. Another way they invest invisibly is in their health. They spend money on gym memberships, nutritious food, and regular checkups to avoid costly health problems in the future. Being healthy also means they can work harder and enjoy life longer. These choices may not look impressive on the surface, but they set millionaires apart. By putting their money into things that last, they create real wealth that gives them financial freedom and peace of mind for years to come. Number 4. They network with intention. Middle-class millionaires know that success isn't just about money, it's about the people you surround yourself with. That's why they build relationships with intention, focusing on connections that inspire growth and open doors. Instead of spending time with people who encourage overspending or bad habits, they seek out others who share their values of hard work and smart money management. They often join groups like local investment clubs, professional associations, or community organizations where they can meet like-minded people. Millionaires also attend events that help them grow, such as business workshops, skill-building seminars, or networking meetups. These are places where they can learn from others and exchange ideas. They don't go just to collect business cards. They go to create real, meaningful relationships. Another habit is giving value to others. They might mentor someone starting out, share their knowledge, or help a friend with a connection. They know that helping others can lead to unexpected opportunities in the future. In essence, the middle-class millionaires expand their resources, learn from successful people, and find partners or mentors who help them achieve even greater goals. They understand that who you know can be just as important as what you know. Number 5. They embrace a secondhand-first mentality. Middle-class millionaires know that buying brand new isn't always the smartest choice. They save big by choosing secondhand items first. From cars to furniture, they look for high-quality used options that cost much less than new ones. For example, instead of buying a new car that loses value the moment it leaves the lot, they buy certified pre-owned cars. These cars are reliable, well-maintained, and much cheaper. The same logic applies to furniture, appliances, and even clothes. Thrift stores, online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace, and estate sales are gold mines for finding gently used items at a fraction of the price. This isn't about being cheap, it's about being smart. Millionaires focus on value over status. They know a secondhand designer couch or a pre-loved dining set can look just as great as a brand new one but costs way less. Some even take this habit further by buying refurbished electronics like laptops or phones that work just as well as new models. Every dollar saved on these purchases is a dollar they can invest or use to reach their goals. They keep their spending low and their savings high, one smart purchase at a time. Number 6. They avoid lifestyle creep like the plague. Middle-class millionaires are very careful to avoid lifestyle creep. This happens when people spend more money as their income grows, upgrading their lifestyle unnecessarily. Millionaires know this is one of the fastest ways to lose control of your finances. Instead of upgrading their homes, cars, or wardrobes every time they get a raise, millionaires focus on saving and investing the extra income. For example, if they get a $10,000 raise, they might put $7,000 into investments and allow themselves to spend only $3,000 on fun or new purchases. They stick to modest lifestyles, even when they could afford more. A common strategy is the anti-upgrade rule. Millionaires don't immediately upgrade their phones, cars, or homes unless it's absolutely necessary. They use things until they are no longer functional. They'd rather drive a reliable car for 10 years than buy a luxury car with high payments. Another way they avoid lifestyle creep is by choosing experiences over material things. Instead of buying the latest gadgets, they take simple, meaningful trips or spend time with family and friends. They know these moments are more fulfilling than the temporary excitement of new possessions. Living below their means allows them to save more, invest consistently, and build long-term wealth. This discipline also gives them freedom from stress, debt, and the need to impress others. By keeping their lifestyle modest, middle-class millionaires ensure their wealth keeps growing for years to come. Number 7. They redefine success beyond money. Middle-class millionaires understand that true success isn't just about having money. They see wealth as a tool to build a meaningful life, not as the end goal. For them, success includes happiness, health, strong relationships, and giving back to others. While many people chase bigger homes, fancier cars, or expensive vacations, millionaires focus on what brings lasting satisfaction. They value spending time with their families, pursuing hobbies they enjoy, and staying healthy. For them, a balanced life is worth more than any luxury item. They also use their wealth to make a difference. Many donate to causes they care about, support local businesses, or set up scholarships to help others succeed. Some even give anonymously because it's about the impact, not the recognition. Middle-class millionaires are also big believers in financial independence. Instead of constantly trying to earn more, they focus on having enough. They aim to reach a point where they can work because they want to, not because they have to. Redefining success beyond money helps to live more fulfilling lives. They're not trapped in a cycle of endless spending or trying to impress others. Instead, they use their money wisely to create freedom, happiness, and a legacy that lasts far longer than material possessions. Becoming a millionaire doesn't require winning the lottery or earning a huge paycheck. For many middle-class millionaires, the key to building wealth is developing smart, frugal habits that anyone can follow. These habits show that living modestly can lead to big rewards over time. Millionaires focus on making their money work for them, choosing long-term gains over short-term pleasures. They also understand that true success isn't about showing off wealth. It's about creating a life of balance, freedom, and happiness. The best part? You don't have to be rich to start. These habits can be practiced at any income level, and over time, they can transform your financial future. So, which habit will you adopt first? Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Your millionaire journey begins today. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.